हाय किड्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आई होप यू ऑल मस्ट बी फाइन। तो मेरे क्लास 2 के नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू रीड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रीड फॉर मैथमेटिक्स ओलंपियाड। इन आवर लास्ट क्लास, in fact in last two classes, we are discussing the questions of the chapter number. Okay, and in this class we are going to continue that one. And if you have not still watch the video of the last two videos, then you can go to the playlist and check it. Okay, so should we start it? Okay, so numbers. The first question: Ruhi planted some plants in garden. The number of plants planted by her is more than 340 and had 6 at the 10th place. Which of the following cannot be the number of plants planted by her? Okay, so what is in the question? Ruhi planted some trees and the number of plant is more than 340. Okay, and had 6 at its 10th place. So we have one. Let me change the color of the pen. Okay, so we have 100 place, 10th place and 1st place, and 6 is present in 10th place. Okay, and which of the following cannot be the number of plants? So it is told that the number is greater than 340. So in 368, this number is greater than 340. Yes. Each 6 is present at its 10th place. Yes. So it can be the number. Okay. In option B, 568. So is this number is greater than the 340? Yes. Each 6 present at the 10th place. Yes. So this can also be the number. In option C, 864. So is it greater than 340? Yes. Each 6 present at 10th place. Yes. So it can also be the number. 269. Is it greater than 340? No. Each 6 present at the 10th place. Yes. But the both conditions should be satisfied, that the number should be more than 340 and 6 at the 10th place. So A, B, C options may be correct. But which cannot be the number? 269 cannot be the number, as the number is less than 340. Okay. So the correct option is option D. Okay बच्चों, आया सबको समझ में? Okay, let's move to the next question. Juhi has the set of number cards 264. Which is the greatest possible 3-digit number that can be formed by using all the cards each only once? So the indirect question is, what should be the greatest possible 3-digit number that can be made using the digits 264? Okay, and for greatest number, what we do? For greatest number, we should arrange the digits in descending order. Arrange the digits in descending order. Okay, so if we arrange the digits in descending order, what we will get? What is the more number? Means what is the maximum digit? That is 6. Then greatest digit 6. Then comes 4. Then comes 2. So what is the greatest possible digit? Possible number that can be formed using 264, that is 642. Is it present in the option? Yes, it is present. Where it is present? It is present in option B. Okay. So the next question: children and number of candies. So here are some children, name of some children, and the number of candies they possess is given. Okay. So Ansh, 25 tens. 25 tens mean 25 into 10, that is equal to 250. Mayur, 5 tens to ones. 5 tens means 5 to 52. 5 tens to ones, 52. 2 tens, 5 ones, 25. You must be knowing how to write these numbers. Then 52 ones. 52 ones means 52 into 1, that is equal to 52. Okay, here you can write tens and ones. 5 tens, 2 ones. Then here 2 tens, 5 ones. Okay. So, which of the following statement is correct? Ans has least number of candies. Who has least number of candies? See, 25. Excuse me. That means Som has least number of candies. So, this statement is wrong. Som has most number of candies. No, Som has least number of candies. Who has most number of candies? That is Ans has. Okay, so this statement is also wrong. Srishti has 25 candies. No, Srishti has 52 candies. This statement is also wrong. Then Mayur and Srishti has equal number of candies. Mayur has 52. Srishti also have 52. So the correct option is option D. That is Mayur and Srishti has equal number of candies. Okay. Chalo, next question. Which of the following statement is correct? There are 3 ones in 423. In 423, how many ones are present? That is 423 ones are present. Okay. 900 ones is same as 90 tens. 90 tens means 90 into 10, that is equal to 900. The largest 3-digit number that can be formed using the digit 9596, each only once is 956. No, it is 965. The place value of 6 in 678 is 600. Yes, it is present in 100 place, so 6 is 600. So there are 3 ones in 420. Let me correct this question. 3 is present in ones place. 3 is present in ones place in 423. 3 is present in one place in 423. Yes, it is present. 90 tens, 900 ones, same, correct. Largest 3-digit number 596, that is 965. So here it is wrong. Place value 600. This is correct. So which is the incorrect option? Incorrect option is option C. Okay. Next. Fill in the blanks. 1 less than the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, smallest 3-digit number. You know how to write smallest 3-digit number. First, you have to write 1. Then you have to put 2 zeros. Okay. So, if I ask what is the smallest 1-digit number, you will tell 1. If I ask what is the smallest 2-digit number, 1 and 0, which make it 2-digit, 3-digit, 100, 4-digit, 100, 5-digit, 1000. Like this we have to do. Okay. So, smallest 3-digit number 1. 1 less than smallest 3-digit number means 100 minus 1, that is equal to 99. 35 tens. 35 tens means 35 into 10, that is equal to 350. Next, 188. 188. So these are the numbers P, Q, R. So which is our correct option? P99, where it is present. Option D, P99, Q 350 and R 188. So option D is our correct option. Okay. Next question. Arrange the given numbers in increasing order. So 600 plus 8 ones. 600 means 600 plus 8 ones means 8. That is equal to 608. Next 100 plus 5 tens means 50 plus 7 ones means 7, that is equal to 157. 800 means 800 plus 1 ones means 1, that is equal to 801. 100 plus 7 tens means 70 plus 5 1 means 5. Okay, that is equal to 175. So what is in the question? The given number in increasing order. To increasing order, we have to write the smallest number first. Okay, so which is the smallest number? That is 157, that is Q. And after that, which number comes? That is 175 S. Then comes 608, that is P. Then comes 801, that is R. QSPR. So QSPR, where it is present? It is present in option B. Okay, so बच्चों मजा आ रहा है सबको? If you know the answer, then you can send me in your comment section. Okay, send your answer in comment section. Next, Novita lost her cat. Use the given clues to find Novita's cat. Okay, so do you know Novita? Who is he? You must be watching cartoon series. Okay, so what happened? Novita lost her cat. Okay. So we have to find out her cat. Clue 1. The digit at the 100 place is the largest one digit number. Largest one digit number, that is 9. The place value of 1 in the number is 1. That means in 1's place 1 is present. Okay. So if the number is 1 and its place value is also 1, that means it is present in 1's place. Next. The place value of 3 in the number is 30. If the place value of 3 in the number is 30, that means 3 is present in 10's place. So, everything is given. 100 place, 10's place, 1's place, 100 place 9, 10th place 3 and in 1's place 1. So, the number is 931. So, which is Nobita's cat? That is option B, 931. Okay, got it? Next question. So, if you know the answer or you want to try the questions, you pause the video, you try the question, then you can match your answer with my answer. Okay. So, our next question is question number 8. Which of the following balance is correct? So, here 4 balances in there and they are trying to balance numbers. We have to find out the correct balance. Okay. So, 10 ones. 10 ones means 10 into 1, that is equal to 10. 2 tens means 2 into 10, that is equal to 20. In one side of balance 10 is present, on other side of balance 20 is present. So can they be same? No, the balance is not correct. Next, 20 tens. 20 tens means 20 into 10. 20 into 10 equal to 200, and here 2 ones. 2 ones means 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. So is 200 and 2 are same? No, these are not same. So the following balance is incorrect. Next is 30 tens, 3 ones. 30 tens means 30 into 10, that is equal to 300, and 3 ones means 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. So is it correct? No, it is also not correct. Next, 500 ones. 500 ones means 500 into 1, that is equal to 500, and 500 means 5 into 100, that is equal to 500. So in this option, both the numbers of present in the balance are same. So the correct option is option B. Okay. Next, I am third from the left but sixth from the right in a queue. How many people are there in queue? So in this type of questions, what you should do, you should add these two numbers. You are third from left, okay. Add that with 6 from right, 3 plus 6 and minus 1. Okay, simply subtract 1 from it. 3 plus 6, that is 9. 9 minus 1, that is equal to 8. So, how many people are there in queue? There are 8 people in queue. You can check it also. Okay, suppose I am writing a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, third from the left. Third from the left, the number is 3. So, let us check. Is it 6 from the right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So our calculation is correct. So what we have to do? Whatever the question means similar questions, you have to write the numbering from left and add it with the numbering from right, and from that sum you have to subtract 1. Okay. In that way you can get the number. Next. Which of the following has the smallest value? So which is the smallest value? 89. 89 says 89, 9 more than 72. That means 9 plus 72, that is equal to how much this one? You can calculate it. It is 81. Next, 8 tens and 3 ones. 8 tens, 3 ones, you know that is 83. Okay. Next, 2 less than 84. 2 less than 84 means 84 minus 2, that is equal to 80. So 2. So which is the smallest value? The smallest value is 81. That is the option B. Okay. So कैसे लग रहा है बच्चों? आ रहा है मजा? Let's move to the next question. Which is the odd number that comes just before 97? Okay. Do you know odd number and even number? If 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are present in one's place, so they are known as odd number. Okay. And if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is present in one's place, then they are known as even number. But only 0 is not an even number, not an odd number. Okay. So 97 is the odd number. So how to find out the before odd number? You can simply subtract 2. 97 minus 2, that is equal to 95. If it asks what is the odd number that comes just after 97, then you can add 2 with that. 97 plus 2, that is equal to 99. Okay. So which is the correct option? That is option A, 95. Next, who am I? My tens digit is 3, my hundreds digit is 6, ones digit is 4. So 100 place, tens place, ones place. My 10 digit is 3, 100 digit is 6, ones digit is 4. So who am I? I am 634. Okay. So our correct answer is option B. Next. Which number is in the third place when the numbers are arranged in descending order? Okay, we have to arrange these numbers and we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Then we have to find the third number. Okay, so all the numbers are 3 digits, so you can compare them. Okay, now you pause the video and write the descending order. Then you can check your answer with my answer. So in descending order, we have to first write the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? Only here 654, 692. So 692, then comes 654. In 500, 564, 46. 2 times 46. Okay, 654. Then 564. 546. 546. Okay, next. 456, 465, this much. So next comes 465, finally comes 456. Okay, so from third place, in the third place 1, 2, 3, that is present 564. Okay, 692. Let me check again. 654, then in 500, 564, then 546, again 546, 465, 456. Okay, so in descending order, in third place which number is present? 564. Okay, so there may be printing mistake, so you can write 564 here. Okay, so which is the correct option? Option B. Okay, let's move to the next question. Which of the following is not correct? 10 more than 473 is 463. Okay, 473 plus 10, that is equal to 483. Is it 463? No. Next, 100 less than 582 is 482. 582 minus 100, that is equal to 482. Yes, this is correct. 10 more than 460 is 470. 460 plus 10, that is equal to 470. It is correct. 1 less than 999 is 998. 999 minus 1 is equal to 998. So this is also correct. So which option is not correct? That is option A. Okay. 10 more than 473 is 483, not 463. Okay, let's move to the last question of this video. What is 3 tens less than 895? 895 minus 3 tens less. 3 tens means 30. So you subtract it. Okay, so what will be the answer? Answer will be 865. So where is it present? It is present in option D, that is 865. Okay bachcho, so how was the session today? Okay, so this much for today's video. In the next video we will be here with much more amazing question. तब तक के लिए mindfully पढ़ाई करते रहो. Okay, bye.